How to share my WhatsApp link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can share your WhatsApp link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, by sharing WhatsApp link, what I mean is that let's say you would like to have a link for your own account so that when people click on that link they will be taken to your WhatsApp contact page. So to do this, we cannot do it from WhatsApp itself, but there is a website that will allow us to create a link for our WhatsApp profile. So you just have to go to your browser and then type in create.wa.link. I repeat again, you just have to go to create.wa.link. I will make sure to drop a direct link, by the way. Now once you land on this website, here you can see it says create a free WhatsApp link. Tap on this little option here. Now over here, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the phone number of your WhatsApp account. Then after that, what you have to do is you can add a custom message that users will send to you. And now you can just tap on generate my WhatsApp link option, and after you have done that, it will basically give you the WhatsApp link, and then it is being successfully copied. So you can just go ahead and then basically copy this link, or you can get a QR code, tap on copy link, and now save it somewhere. Now next time what happens is that if somebody clicks on that link, it will automatically take you to their profile page on WhatsApp by tapping the continue button here and over here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create WhatsApp links. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.